Hello guys, today I am going to do open box and test of Insta360 GO 3S. This is one of their new product. I have been trying to looking for something like this for a while since I am kind of into like travel and YouTube video shooting. I had a GoPro Hero 4 before. I bought it like 2018. Unfortunately, I never used it because I bought the black, and the black has no screen reviewer, so you have no idea what you screen. How you shoot it. So I never used it. It's kind of waste of money. I was thinking about selling it, but I guess it's not worth much. I could have just used as like a camera, put in the car as a car camera, because it do have a micro SD card. So if I have like 250 megabyte, it lasts me a long hour. It is also 4K, so I guess it's still usable. Anyhow, so this is Insta360. I bought this from Target because I'm a member from Target, so they do have 5%. I do see right now on the on their official website, they have free a case and also free a neck thing. The case is nice because original price for case is $20. I think they have like a $10 off. Yeah, $10 off, because I got a coupon for $10 off. But this is a 5% because from Target card. So it was $369, 5%. It's more than $10, right? So this is a better deal for 5%. And also, I'm going to Arizona, driving to Arizona for like 2 to 12 hours. I would do like 2 days. And I'm gonna go to Joshua Tree. So I felt like, I want to get this so I can use it. So yeah, so 5% of $369 is $18.45. So yeah, it's cheaper. I mean, get more deal from 5% instead of $10 off. Yeah, because I tried on their website, I got $10 off. Okay, so this is super small. Wow, it's so small. I think that I just realized this is a Chinese website company. Also the DJ another popular brand, DJI. Yeah, another brand, Cosmo something. I was looking at that one too. Like they have a new called Nano, similar to this, but I don't think it's on the US market right now. That's also a Chinese company. They're beating up GoPro. GoPro, I think is no. I heard they're fine bankrupt or something. Okay, so this is what including the box. So it does have the camera, the case, and they have this. What's that? It's like magnetic. Oh, that's a neck thing. So it's kind of like a rope. And they have this small case. I did talk to call the Target customer service. I told them if I don't like it, can I return it? They said, yeah, I can still return it even though it's an open box. So that's the reason why I got from Target. Because I don't want to spend like $100 and never use it, right? I spent like $200 some for GoPro 4 Black, and I bought tons of accessories. I never use it. And I don't know why I didn't return it. And these, they can return once you open. if you buy from their website. Okay. I mean, if I like it, I'll just keep it because it's a pretty good deal. All right, so this is what they have. I don't know the terms, names, but it's in the standard in their box. And this is a camera. This is Chinese. What's here? So this is like user menu. Okay. Yeah, and there's a warranty card, stickers. Okay. Anything else? You always want to look at the boxes because they, yeah, always like a treasure hunt. They're always hiding stuff somewhere. I think that's it. Yeah, I mean, I saw some people making comment about some product that's the over packaging, so complicated. Yeah, why don't you make it simple, right? We don't want more complications. We have too much complication in our life already. Why? All right, what's this? That's the charger. So I'm not gonna open this because I have chargers. I'll just put it here first because I mean, if I don't like it after return, I just trying to not to open too much stuff. And another thing too, everyone talking about these reviews. I watched so many YouTube video about different types, but they don't talk about software because I read from Reddit website. Some people have a concern. The reason why I didn't get the DJI one because it sounds like you cannot use it until you subscribe something, and you have to download their apps. Okay. All right, so that's this. Let's check it out. That's the box. Ooh. Well, that's so fragile. I mean, what if I drop it? I always drop stuff, so that's why. Okay, and their font so small. I mean, I'm a mid-aged woman now. I need reading glasses. That's another thing about GoPro 4. The front was so small. Anyway, I can't see. Can I see from the camera? The action part is water resistant only. Please do not use it underwater. Make sure GoS is dry and clean before place in the action part. The action part, which is this big one, it's not waterproof, but this thing is waterproof. Okay, what's this? Please hold the button. Huh? Okay. So this is and that's this. Maybe I can. Okay. Okay, one, please hold the button while removing. All right. And I'm gonna break it before I, this is a string. How do we open this? I guess this is an open box for dummies. Oh, okay. I don't think. Right? And then what? Oh, okay. Got it. So hold this first. I'll keep this. Okay. And this, ta-ta, what's a front set? Please remove the sticker before use. Okay. And then, okay, it's stuck on it. I guess I need a charge. All right, I better read the use it. So this is an open box. Everything is, oh wow, this is not really easy to take it out. See? Ooh, ooh. Okay, it's very strong, but that means there's no handle or something to take it off. So here, it's strong. Okay, this is something else. Okay, this is for that, so you can feel it's a magnetic. And this one too. I think this is where you, yeah. Cool, that's for the, I actually bought this from Target too. Let's open this up. Cool. I don't know how fragile this lens is if you drop it, you know. You might need a protect, I think I probably need a protect case. Ooh, see? Wow, that's like, this is, okay. Okay, so it's stuck on it. You know what happened just now was that I hit this, it automatically releases it. Okay, now it's stuck. See, that's the thing. I also like the product review, make suggestions. Like if I rent a car, a new car or something, like they always find something not convenient. I wish they do something more convenient. See this bottom here, it was so easy for me. I just accidentally hit it. Especially now it's going this way. That's not good because, you know, it's very easy. You put it somewhere and it hits it, you will lose it. All right. Make sure it's tight. I'm just like, I don't know how to trust all this stuff. Hope they're well made for that money. This is like $20 selfie stick. It's not too bad. All right, how can I make it longer? Can I make it longer? I think you can. All right. No. Oh yes, you can. You just have to push it. And sometimes, see, I feel like this thing is very sensitive. Like I can push it and then it just, you know, if you don't pay attention or you give it to your friends to shoot for you and they push this, oh, Oh, okay, that's a pretty long selfie stick. All right. How can I open this? So it doesn't have okay, it doesn't have a remote. And then I feel like it's pretty durable. Cool. Yeah, I mean, I can feel if the cheap one, it's like very fragile, like light. This is pretty strong. That's good. But this one I guess doesn't have a remote. Okay. What else? I think next I'm gonna test this. I'll read the user menus. Now I need to make sure it's synced with my iPhone. So in case I lost it, I can find it. Because this is thing, it's really tiny. I have a small hands. Look at how small is this. You can easily drop somewhere. And you can see some of the stuff, it's like it's really sensitive. Like, I mean, this thing, it's so sensitive. So I'm just so afraid I drop it someday. Yeah. All right, I'll show some videos and do a test after I read my user menu.